This is property number E800201-2. We're looking southeast at a caved adit. You can see the trench that's left of the adit going on up the hill to the southeast. We're out on the dump. It's about a 25 foot by 25 foot dump, very small. It's located on the map kind of in the approximately the right location. I couldn't find anything else on this hillside that would be what I would consider this adit here. So we'll just consider this one of them that's shown on the map. It's an unnamed one, so it's just got a number designation. So we'll turn around and look back to the northwest now and see what the dump looks like. It's a very small dump. We'll get a good view of it. Again, this is property E800201-2. We're looking northwest now. We're up kind of in that trench where the adit has caved. You can see it's a very small dump, kind of flat. It's about 25 feet by 25 feet, and doesn't really amount to very much. It goes down the hill quite a ways. It's fairly steep slope here, but it doesn't travel all that much, so I don't think it's a very significant adit. So this will be, we'll take one side view of the dump, kind of looking to the east to get an idea of a profile to see how thick it really is. It's not a very big dump. Here we're looking again at that property E800201-2. We're kind of looking to the east here. You can see the dump material does travel down. It's probably no more than about 10 feet thick at the very thickest. See my pack there is. Here's another view of the dump for that E800201-2. It's fairly flat for about 25 feet from the portal and then travels downhill. So this will be it for this property E800201-2. This is the second adit for the property E800201-2. It's just downhill and to the north of the second one, or the first one we did. Other one was real minor. This one here is a little more significant in that it does have a bit of water running out of it, 1 to 2 gallons a minute. Very small stream discharging from it. The dump area is very insignificant. I can't really tell where the dump is. I think it may have just slid all down the hill. We'll turn around and take a look at that a little bit, and just to see that it really doesn't amount to much. This stream may have cut down through it, but I don't really think so. The pH and conductivity are very low, so it's not, or the pH is above 7 anyway, so it's fairly decent. So we'll take a look around and look at the dump area. Again, we're looking basically to the southeast, right up the trench where the adit has collapsed and the water is running out of the presumed portal of the adit. So we'll turn around and look basically to the east and see what the dump area looks like. Here we're looking to the east on this second adit for property E800201-2. You can see where the slot for the collapsed adit is there, and see the water again, the very minor stream running out of the where the attic or the portal used to be. So we're just kind of panning along the dump area. Again, it's a fairly steep slope here, not terribly steep, but the dump area really does not amount to much. So the attic truly probably did not go back very far. It's probably just a very small, more or less prospecting adit. So it really, the dump area is pretty well spread out and on the lower part of the slope here, so it really didn't amount to much. And the water does cut down through it. I presume that it's cutting down through it, but I didn't bother with a dump sample. Is it the material is very clean, basically granite with a minor quartz vein material in it. So this will be it for the second adit, E800201-2.